Hello, everybody. Welcome to Beyond Boundaries with Lisa Richmond. I'm Lisa Richmond. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning guest, thanks so much for coming back. Um, I just want to touch base on my last video that I posted. I am well aware that the videography, so to speak, was terrible, but it was because it was set up wrong. The channel came through, and it was like one of those things where I was like, meh, I'm just gonna post it because the channel was so authentic and raw and real that I felt like if I were to do it again and try to like re-channel the message, I just feel like that would have been inauthentic. And I thought you guys deserved better than that. So you got kind of a raw video, yet a real message. So that's just a little bit of housekeeping. I don't have a professional setup, obviously. I do my best with my little microphone and my little camera and my little light and all that kind of stuff because the tech stuff isn't like I don't have all the stuff, but it doesn't matter because I feel like in a world where there's a ton of additional help with like AI and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. Like, I just want to stay really true to the authenticity of the way I do it. I don't have any extra help. I don't have, it's just real raw. I sit down, I press play, and whatever comes through. And I promised at the beginning that I would stick to that and I would make it as real as possible because I feel like nowadays that's more rare and I'd like to stick to that. Okay, enough of that. The reason why I came on today, I'm really excited. I'm heading to a festival called the She Rise Festival in like my hometown. Well, it's my hometown. It's a new hometown, like close to me, I should say. It's not really my hometown. It's like down the road from me, and it's called She Rise Festival, and it's a bunch of women coming from all over to join us. And there's vendors, and there's wellness centers, and there's musicians, and it's just going to be amazing. So I'm offering one-on-one intuitive medium sessions there, just kind of mini sessions. And I'm heading there right now, and I'm so excited about it. And that is why I wanted to jump on here actually, because one of the big messages I had this morning, because I was a little nervous and I was a little kind of feeling anxious about things, and my guides were like, remember to have fun, remember the joy aspect of the heart frequency. And I talk a lot about, and the message that came through before was about the heart coherency and the heart based alignment that we're moving into within the five-dimensional earth, or it's through the heart center. And I think a lot of us get caught up in the perception of like, okay, I've got a lot of work to do in order to get me to where I want to be in life. You know, like I've got some inner child work to do. I have some authenticity work to do. I have some health stuff to do. I've like to get my mind in the right place and my energy in the right place. And we talk about like maintaining the resonance of the higher vibration. And it can kind of feel like a lot of work, and sometimes it's like heavy work and like the somatics of it and where we hold in our body and pain. And like, I get that. And that is a huge component to allowing to like shift out of that, is like the recognition of what it is to be able to allow it to go kind of thing. But the energy of now, it's like in this transition that we felt moving into this convergency, this timeline, is like less work, more play. I think that is a very famous line from The Shining, which is kind of a freaky movie, but it's true. It's like, what if we perceive this heart-based frequency and this new alignment with like lightness and like less is more? That keeps coming up over and over. Less is more. Less is more. What if we put less in our day? We fill it with less things, and we allow ourselves to connect in deeper with the things that we have said yes to in that day. And then by doing that, we enjoy them more. Like, what if we slow down to enjoy our food? more. And we took pleasure in the sensory intake of our food or our smells, like our senses, right? What if we connected in to the peacefulness of the sounds and slowed down and consciously acknowledged the joy that our feet are experiencing barefoot in the grass, right? Now, I know this sounds tedious almost, but by doing it and like slowing down to consciously connect into these sensations, what that actually does is it tells our nervous system, hey, we can we can chill out for a sec. We don't have to be thinking about the next best thing or the next thing we have to do in order to achieve, right? Even if it's like, what's the next thing I have to do in order to achieve more fulfillment or more happiness, right? Like it's kind of a catch 22. Is that what they call it? I have no idea if that's the right phrase. But like if we slow down enough to enjoy some of the like mundane things that we're doing, it actually tells our system, our nervous system, you don't have to freak out. You don't have to worry about the next thing that you have to do. You get to just do it. You get to be in alignment with your heart's desire. And then all of a sudden, your body stops producing so much stress hormones and can allow your system to navigate through a more regulated, like, state of existence. And then it's not work, it's just existence. And I understand that our nervous system has probably been in a dysregulated state since we've had to co-regulate it when we were little. And chances are the co-regulator wasn't necessarily completely balanced. That's where the kind of systems went off key in the first place. I think I should do a video on that too, all about that, because I find that very interesting. Anyway, this is all about if you want, like, we're always looking for quick fixes, right? Like, oh, quick fix, pop a pill or like whatever in this day and age, right? If we see the slow moving button and we have to wait for something, it kind of feels like, come on, we're not used to waiting. But what if the quick fix was going into our sensory input? Like, what if the quick fix to our sense of balance and peace and regulation was like our senses, was actually connecting to our senses, which allows our system to say, hey, I'm not in fight or flight. I'm not figuring out my whole situation on what to do in order for me to feel safe. And I know it seems simplistic, but it's a quick message that I want to say today, because I feel like with the sun coming out more, at least it's coming out where I am, I think it's like starting to chill out a little bit. I think there's some crazy weather patterns, but anyway, I like, I want to like not challenge you, but maybe to this weekend, seeing where you can find time to create regulation through your sensory intake. Okay, so whether it's all of them, but like taste, like slow down when you eat, enjoy the taste. Like strawberries is such a taste sensation, right? Watermelon, or like a yummy salad, or like, I don't know, whatever you might make, where you slow down and you're like, yes, yes. And like your system is in that receiving mode and being like, I'm being nurtured, I'm being cared for, right? Having the clothes that you put on your body be soft and like, I don't know, just indulging in your senses is, let's say, new age quick fix to helping to regulate your nervous system. So I don't know. I just really feel like this is a very like tangible thing that we can do in order to like dramatically increase the smile factor in our existence. So I hope you have a really good weekend. Sending everybody tons of love. I'm really excited. I'm heading off to my festival to be surrounded by some amazing women. So yeah, if you are looking to work with me one-on-one, you can head to my website at lisarichmond.ca. I offer one-on-one, like 45-minute intuitive medium sessions via Zoom. I also do like mini sessions where you can book for like 20 minutes or even like less than that, where you can send me a couple questions and I can do an email response or a quick voice response pre recorded. And so there's tons of options. Go check it out. And yeah, if you guys have anything that you want to add or you want to like let me know or let anybody else that's watching know about connections that you've made with your sensory system or maybe what you like setting the goal of what you're going to do this weekend to help you regulate that, throw it in the comments. Like, subscribe, hype, do all the things. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'm sending everybody so much love, and I will see you next week. All right? Okay, see you later, everyone. Mwah. Peace.